Hey everyone, today is the premiere for Devin, which is my friend Taylor's movie that he made, and a bunch of my friends are acting in it and I'm super excited to go see it. He is having the premiere at like a movie theater, so it's like super legit and fun, and it's gonna be posted onto YouTube, like released to the general public, and this is like the premiere of it that I'm going to. Even though this isn't your typical like Hollywood movie premiere, it's still something really cool, and I just thought this would be a really fun experience to share. So I'm gonna start getting ready. I just showered and, you know, washed my hair. It's clearly still very wet, but I washed my hair, I did my skincare, brushed my teeth, all that jazz, ate breakfast, you know. Yeah, I'm just chilling in a robe because I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna wear yet, and yeah. Also, I have a fear of getting makeup on my clothes. First thing I'm gonna do is just put on some 𝕏𝕆𝕏 primer under my eyes. Literally just like the smallest amount. This is gonna be like, I think, a chit chat. So I put this under my eyes, and okay, recently I've been watching a lot of Lauren Geraldo, I think is her name. I'm watching a lot of those like Vogue videos where it's like celebrities like getting ready in their like beautiful bathrooms, and they're always using like really expensive products, and I'm just I'm just putting some concealer in my eyes. Ooh, this concealer is a little dark on me. It's okay. It's summer, so I get tan, and recently I've been noticing that my face doesn't tan, but like I'm also not like pressed about it because like while tanning like can look nice, it also like isn't good for your skin, and it can cause a lot of sun damage. Yeah, that actually covered my under circles. I also haven't been getting that much sleep lately because I've been doing band camp back at my high school, well, old high school I guess, because I graduated now, and hanging out and like helping out with the pit because I was in pit when I did band. It's really fun and I've been spending lots of time there, but it starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. I don't know why it starts that early, but it does. I also get to just like sit down in the shade where everyone else is like up and doing stuff. Next I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer. I don't know when I got my first Hoola bronzer, but when I did, I had it for at least a year, if not longer, and it was like the mini one. So I think I made a video when I first got it. I went to Disney for like a school trip. The first day there, my friend was like, "Maria, you didn't blend it." I like was like, "Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god," and I was just like trying to blend it with my hand. And I'm always super paranoid that I'm not gonna blend my bronzer enough and I'm just gonna line, and that's just not cute. I also love putting bronzer on my nose, but if you've seen like probably like any makeup tutorial for me in the past like year, I probably like always say like, "I'm gonna put bronzer on my nose," because it's so cute. Also, I've been breaking out recently on my forehead. Not sure what that means. I don't get too adventurous with my makeup. The only thing I get adventurous with ever is like eyeshadow. This is a Milk makeup highlighter. Just dabbing that on. I love glowy makeup. Something about it makes me happy. If someone complimented my highlight, it's just like such a good compliment. Because like someone thinks that you're glowing. I might not be making any sense right now, but to me it makes sense. When I put highlight on my nose, put it like here because it helps like lift my nose. I used to not like my nose, but now I do. I feel like what makes you different is what makes you special, and not everyone has a nose like mine, so yeah. I'm taking this Physicians Formula in the color Beige Pearl. I feel like I've been using this one a lot recently because it's very like natural. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. highlighter. This is the brush from like the Naked palettes, and I'm taking the smaller side, and I put that on top of my nose highlight. I look like freaking Rudolph with my glowing nose. It's just like reflecting so weird on camera. Yeah, I'm gonna put on some chapsticky lip balm. I used to never do anything to my eyebrows at all. I feel like eyebrows are such a tricky thing. I'm gonna just brush it out and I'll go back and fill in any spots. Yeah, this one's like higher than that one. I'll do a little eyeshadow action. I'm just gonna take this color Drive and then this one, which is called Stylin', and put that just like kind of towards the outer corner. Barely touch it because it's like pigmented a lot. Oh, see? That's why I never do eyeshadow, because I suck at blending. I used to be obsessed with like Urban Decay primer potions, and then I stopped using primer altogether. It's time. I'm gonna put a little bit of this color over here. It's called Busted. You know, I think this is just getting worse and worse by the moment. I'm just gonna rub it with my fingers. Taking this brush, I think it's called a pencil brush, but this one's by Sonia Kashuk at Target. So I'm taking the color YDK. That one. I'm gonna put that underneath my lash. And then I'll smack a little bit of that same color on my finger, and then I'll just put it on my eyelid. Like that. Now we're gonna do the lovely art of mascara. So first thing I always do for my mascara is I brush my eyelashes out with a spoolie. My eyelashes literally get tangled. Not sure how, not sure why, but I've accepted it. So I'm gonna take the Roller Lash by Benefit. Mascara literally always takes me so long because like I feel like it's so hard to get your eyelashes to look just how you want them to. Okay, another question. What is considered one coat of mascara? Because like, is one coat like one like shimmy, or is one coat like one going through without dipping it back in? Ta-da! There we have our mascara. I never do black on my lower lashes unless I'm like trying to have like a really dramatic look. Something I do with my eyelashes, I get like a pencil, like a legit pencil. I'm not gonna recommend people do this because I feel like it's really dangerous. I have like pretty steady hands. So here is my outfit. It's very Brandy Melville-esque. The top is from Brandy. It's just this white halter top. I'm not really sure what the style is. It's just a halter all on the back. And then the skirt is this really cute, but it has like these slits on the sides. Also, sorry, I literally am in the process of like cleaning and arranging my room, so it's quite a mess, but yeah. And I just have these paired together. I think it's super cute. So the final consensus on my hair is to just leave it. I think it's drying really nicely. This is gonna be like the complete look for it, and then I'll film a little more at the premiere, and yeah.
We have a lot of people we want to thank. We want to thank our actors.
So that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite movie is. Alright, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!